Hi, I'm Mariana with Mailchimp. In this video, we'll go over how to import contacts into your audience. When you create an account, Mailchimp generates an audience for you and adds you as a contact. But soon, you'll want to add more contacts so you have someone to market to. There are several ways to do this. For example, you could share a form and wait for people to sign up. You could add subscribers one by one. Or if you already have a list of customer contacts, you can use Mailchimp's import tool to add all of them to your audience at once. All you need is a CSV file with your contacts' names, emails, birthdays, and other useful data. The import tool helps you match this information to your audience fields in Mailchimp, so you can use it to send targeted campaigns. There's a lot to learn about importing contacts into your Mailchimp audience, so let's get started. To prepare my file for import, I'll open a new spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets. In the first row, I'll label my columns with the corresponding audience fields in Mailchimp, such as email address, first name, last name, and phone number. Then I'll paste my contacts information in the relevant columns in the spreadsheet and save the file in a comma-separated values or CSV format. This option can usually be accessed from the File menu in the spreadsheet program under Download or Save As. Cool. Now I'm ready to import my file into Mailchimp. I'll return back to the audience dashboard and click Import Contacts. All right. Then I'll choose Upload File. Next, I'll click Continue to Upload. Then click Browse to choose a file. Now I'll continue to the Organize step. And then I'll choose a status for these contacts. And I'll go with Subscribed, since these contacts gave me permission to email them. Cool. I'll leave the Update Any Existing Contacts box unchecked, since this is a new audience, and click Continue to Tag. Tags are custom labels you can apply to your contacts. They help you organize your audience and send the right marketing content to the right people. And I see some suggestions here for popular tags I can choose from. So let's see. I think I'll go with this one. Great. Now I'll click Continue to match the columns in the import file to the fields in my Mailchimp audience. Mailchimp will automatically match some columns like email address. And I can also click the column header to choose a different field type or to create a new field. My fields look good to me, so I'm going to leave them as is for now. It's important to make sure each column is matched to an audience field or it will not be imported. Okay, almost done. I just need to click Finalize Import to review the import settings. And this looks great, so I'll click Complete Import. And after the import is finished, Mailchimp will send a notification to the email address associated with my account's username. That's it. You've learned how to import contacts into your audience. For more information about Mailchimp audiences, check out our guides and tutorials.